My name is Tunjay Chakmak, and I'm the inventor of a device which allows you to step inside virtual reality. The Virtualizer is a locomotion device for virtual reality. That means you can step inside the device, connect yourself with a harness, so you can walk, you can run, you can walk backwards, you can strafe, you can turn around, but you don't change your place in the real room. That means you can break the boundaries of your own room and enter unlimited virtual space without changing your space in the reality. You can load every environment you want to. This environment just have to be created. Also, load environments which are scanned from reality. I was born in St. Pölten, which is a city in Lower Austria, and I grew up in the near. And in my childhood, I was always fascinated about technology, and I also was fascinated of computer games. I wanted to study technical physics because I wanted to study something which opens many possibilities in the future, so I can use it in different ways I want to use it. The story of the Virtualizer started actually with the Wii mode from Nintendo. I connected the Wii mode with my PC and made some experiments, and I wanted to know more about the walking inside these environments. I came here to the workshop of my father. I thought maybe it is possible to walk on a device while sliding over it with your feet. So then I started to build the first prototype of the Virtualizer. You can see it here. And you could also have more easier access to bring on sensors which detects your feet movement, for example. At the end of 2012, we started with this prototype, and I thought about how can I now detect the movement. So I drilled a hole in the base. I just took a computer mouse and put it upside down. I wrote some code which simulates keyboard input when I walk. And I was like, oh man, I can walk now in this game, actually. When I started with the development of the Virtualizer, I presented the idea to my professor, Martin Gröschel. He was really fascinated about the prototype and offered me a laboratory, a room where I can build up the prototype and work together with different technologies like the Oculus Rift. I remember the day when Professor Hannes Kaufmann told me when I arrived with the prototype, yeah, build it up, and at the end of this week we can try to make it run together with the Oculus Rift. And I said, actually, I could do that today. So we built everything up, and we started to walk around in the Tuscany demo. It was just mind-blowing, because it was my first time using the Virtualizer with a head-mounted display. In the beginning, I just used monitors which friends just carried around me when I was turning, and it was really very mind-blowing. We are right now in a virtual reality cafe called Vrij. We are now preparing our installation, and tonight people can test our application Aken's Call together with the Virtualizer Elite and also other virtual reality technologies here. I'm very excited to see how people will react, because I can get the feedback from our users, from the people who are visiting Vrij and testing our installations. It's very important for us so we can optimize everything. I never thought that I will have a company, and I never thought I will lead a team. What I'm doing is something which I like to do. And this motivates me, this drives me. So every day when I wake up, I'm very happy. It's just the beginning right now, and so many things are happening, and I'm very happy to be part of this, because this technology could change something.